Hey, what is going on, guys? And in today's video of Tech Nerd Tips, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install games to a secondary hard drive from the Xbox app in Windows. Now, this is a standard Windows app. I've never really actually kind of looked at it. I've played around with this app a bit, but I haven't really looked at it a whole lot. So I guess we're just gonna have a look at it together. So basically, just find the game in your library that you want to install, and then it has a big green install. So just select it, and now it gives you this option. So it says choose drive. So you can see all of my different hard drives in my computer. I have a bunch of them. And so you just want to select. It says choose a folder for your games. So you just want to simply select the one, and then it shows you here drive. So just make a folder. Just call it anything. Just call it Xbox. Select that folder, and then it's gonna pop it into that drive, and next, and it installs it. So I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.